Hey, welcome back to Atlas Tool Guide. I'm Rob. Today we're talking about levels. I want to quickly go over how to use a level and what a level is good for and a couple different types here. And by the end of this video, I hope you can understand the difference between a cheap level and a precision level. Let's get into it. Starting with this real basic guy, I'm pretty sure this guy came picture frame or something with the package. So real simple to use. You have to use it flat and then you have to line up these bubbles. So this one, you can see that bubble moving. There we go. As you can see, this one doesn't have a very big tolerance at all. That bubble can move with inside those lines quite a bit. And that's what gives it the tolerance. But this is going to be perfect for just hanging up picture frames, anything little around the house. This guy's just a little bit bigger. It's going to show you the same thing, just this one has this is quite a bit used. Obviously, I use these tools. You can see the double lines in them. That's going to give you more precision. And then you're also going to start to get into the 90 degrees and laying them different ways. And again, this one's just a little bit bigger. Same principle, except for this one has some markings on it all the way to 16ths and 8ths, both in inches. Nothing on the bottom, but it is nice and flat. This little guy, I just wanted to point out real quick because it is mainly a ruler. And I have some other stuff that I wanted to show with it. But this has a little bit of a bubble in it as well. See if you can see it right there. But what I really want to point out is what this is really for. And this is just an example. I know I'm not doing it any justice of what's really going on here. But it's so you can line something along these lines up, get the good level, and go from there. Again, this is just an example. And then this last one over here, this big guy. This one's going to be expensive, and I put it kind of on the side for a reason. And this one's actually going to have tolerances in it. It's going to say True Blue vials guaranteed accurate to tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 10,000ths of an inch in 10 working positions. I don't know what all those are, but this is clearly a precision instrument, and it did cost a pretty penny to get. But you can see, again, like the other one, it's got the double. And you can see it's very clear, very easy to use. Again, I don't remember what project. You can kind of see some of this stuff. And again, I'm not pushing brands. It's just to show you the difference. And as you can see, this is a 48-inch. So you're going to get more precision out of it the longer it is. But these are all basics. This guy, again, this little torpedo level is a lot with electrical. It's going to have all the different pipe bending stuff. This is a mega magnet. These are, when they talk about rare earth magnets and all that, I don't exactly know what this is, but you can hear it in that one, especially compared to this one. This one has a little cheap magnet. I mean, it's holding. You can see it's holding. Not great, but nothing like this one. That's not going nowhere. But anyways, that's not the point. It's got those mega magnets, and then it's got the 90, 45, and 30. And then I had to look this up because I've never, funny enough, this V is what I thought it was, is for rounded pipes for this one. But for anything else to hold it in a round spot, which I find funny because all the magnets are on the other side. So I'm not entirely sure what this V channel is for holding stuff rounded. Use it the best you can. I've always found the magnets better. Anyways, I hope this has helped. If you hit that subscribe button, new videos every Tuesday. Drop your questions below and I'll answer them and make a video about it. I hope to see you next week. And if this has helped, saved you money, let me know. Thanks and have a great day.